Hello friends, as you can see, I have some data in each of these three sheets. Now, I want to get sum by color of these colored cell in separate sheets. Now to do that, first of all, I will select all these three sheets. I will select a cell like this. I will click on get location and click on sheet name, right? And I will click on OK. So once I click on OK, the sheet name is retrieved in this particular cell of each and every sheet, right? The next thing what I'm going to do is to apply a formula that is equal to get range, right? And I will select the headers. I will put a comma and I will select this value, right? And I will close my bracket and press enter. So as I have done this, you must have noticed, right? It has changed in every sheet, right? Now the next thing what I need to do, right? I will copy this and paste it over here because I want the color of this particular cell. I don't need the number, so I'm deleting it right away. And now we will apply another formula over here. So I'm going to my formula. It is like indirect format, right? So I'm selecting my sheet name like this and I'm selecting my range like this and I'm clicking on OK. So as I click on OK, you can see a formula has been inserted over here. So what I will do, I will just copy and paste, copy this formula as of now, right? So I have copied it and I am deleting it. I do not require it anymore. Now over here I will put another formula, sum by color, right? So I am selecting it like this and I have to paste what I have copied just now, right? I will put a comma and then I have to select this particular cell, right? Now the problem is that because I am selecting this particular cell, it is coming as F4, right? So what I will do, I will just delete it, go to another sheet, come back to this sheet and then select this so that I can get the sheet name as well. And now I am closing the bracket and pressing enter. So as I press enter, you can see I have got the total for all the colored cells in this particular sheet, that is 2469. Now if I go to this particular sheet, it is 2925, and if I go to this sheet, it is like 4606. So this is how you can get sum by color in different sheets in the same time. Thank you so much.